Hello, welcome again to this channel. My name is Felix Bliss. I'm going to walk you through this tutorials. This is just a simple birthday flyer I created for my mommy. It's very simple and easy, so I want to show you every beginner should be able to create this birthday flyer in just 2 minutes. The first thing you do is just go to your folder and then select the image. I'm not going to show this image to you. Use your own picture, okay? So I'm going to use this picture for this tutorials, okay? You can use your own picture for these tutorials. Don't use mine because I'm not providing this image for you. So I'll just bring this picture in here, okay? Then I'll stretch it like this, okay? From here, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a gradient overlay. So I'll create a new layer above this one. Then I'll go in for my gradient. So I want to use this gradient. I want to know the color code for this gradient. This is how you will get it. Color code for this one is 021978 for the blue. And then the sea blue, the color code is 0585DF. Okay, so you will use this color code. You can use your own gradient. Okay, then I'll draw the gradient from here. You can pick any point, so I'll draw mine from here to this point, something like this. I don't want this way. I can go in the reverse direction like this. Okay, now after doing this, what we are going to do now is we need to make the image show. Okay, so I'll create a layer mask for this. Then I'll go in for the gradient again. There are so many ways to do what I'm doing, but I'm doing this. Okay, there are so many ways you can do this. So I'll go in for the gradient again, then look for basic. So the basics, I'll go for the middle one, this one, the one with white and transparent. Okay, then I'll click inside the layer mask thumbnail, and then I'll draw from the top to down, something like this. Okay, now you can see that the image is clear now, but there is more gradient on the image, so I can drag from here downwards. Very simple one. Yeah, very simple one like this. There are so many ways to do this. Another way, I'm showing you the basics, so never mind if I spend more time on this. Another way to do this is just go in for the gradient. Okay, then we'll go in for this one, the basics. Then this time around, let me create another layer, and then I will draw something like this from here to here. Okay, I don't want this way, so let's go it the other way around. I will drag from this place to this place. Can you see that? Something like this. Now this, I'm using color white for this. So if you don't want white, what you do is double click inside this picture, then change the color from white to the first color we were using. I didn't copy the color code, but you can use your own color for this. Okay, I'm using any color for this one. Okay, okay, then I will draw my gradient from the bottom to the top, something like this. Okay, so something like this. You think it is too far away from the image, you can drag it up. So something like this. Look at this one, then look at this one. Okay, you can see that we are getting the same information. So depending on how you want it. So this is very simple. The step 2 is very simple, but the step 1, 2 is also cool. Okay. So what we are going to do now is we are going to add a text. So I'll click here and then type something like happy birthday. Happy birthday. Something like this. Then we can add the maybe a birthday message to it, or you can say happy birthday sweet mother. Okay, so control J, something like this. Then I'll type sweet mother. I'll maintain the color to be white. If you think the color is not cool, you can use your own colors. Okay, but you shouldn't use more than 3 colors for your design. It will look horrible. So happy birthday sweet mother. We can decrease the sweet mother small. We have something like this, and then we can add the date here. Okay, and today is what? So I'm going to write the date here, but I think this is cool. So you can add the date, you can add your text. So I'm ending here. If you want to learn more about designing birthday flyers, business flyers, everything, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. All your friends are subscribing. Don't be left out. I have more for you. My name is Felix Blaze. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.